Hello students, welcome in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Students, today in this video lecture we are going to solve some questions of exercise 5.1 of NCERT book. Now we have one question: express each of the complex number in the form a plus ib. Students, there are some complex numbers and we have to express them in the form a plus ib. One question is 5i into minus 3 by 5i, and we have to express this complex number in the form a plus ib. This is very simple to solve. First question is 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Students, we can write 5i into minus 3 upon 5i. 5 and 5 will be cancelled out, and this will be minus 3 into I square. I into I square, and since we know I equals to under root minus 1 and I square equals to minus 1. I square equals to minus 1. So I square equals to minus 1 we will write, and we will get minus 3 into minus 1 equals to plus 3, and we can write this number 3 in the form a plus ib as 3 plus I0. 3 plus I0. Here 3 is purely real number, so we can express them a plus in the form a plus ib. We will write imaginary part 0 and 3 is real part, and this is looking in the form a plus ib, where a equals to 3 and b equals to 0. Let us express another complex number in the form a plus ib. Another complex number is I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. Students, we will divide these powers by 4. When we will divide 9 by 4, then we will get remainder 1, and we will write here I. I to the power 1 equals to I, and again we will divide 19 by 4, then we will get 19 by 4. 4 4 ja 16, and we will get here 3 as a remainder. So we will write here I cube. I plus I cube. Value of I cube. Students, we know I equals to under root minus 1, I square equals to minus 1, and I square into I equals to minus 1 into I. This is IQ equals to minus I. So we can write IQ equals to minus I or I plus minus I equals to I minus I equals to 0. Here real part is 0 and imaginary part is also 0, but we can express 0 in the form a plus ib as 0 plus I0. Here a is 0 and b is also 0. Students, let us express another complex number in the form a plus ib, which is I to the power minus 39. I to the power minus 39. First of all, we will divide 39 by 4 and then we will get the remainder. Four 9 ja 36. We will get remainder as 3. So we will write it I to the power minus 3. Students, we can write it I cube to the power minus 1. Since we know I cube equals to minus I, so we will write minus I to the power minus 1, and we can write it as minus I to the power minus 1 means reciprocal of minus I, that is 1 by minus 1 by I, and 1 by I we can write it as I by I, means we will multiply by I, multiply numerator and denominator by I, and we will get minus I upon I square, and I square equals to minus 1. So we can write here minus 1, minus minus cancelled, and it will be I equals to I, means I to the power minus 39 equals to I, and we have to express this in the form A plus IB. We can write it as 0 plus I, where A equals to 0 and B equals to 1. Here real part is 0 and imaginary part is 1. This is purely imaginary number, but we can express in the form A plus IB, where real part is 0 and imaginary part is 1. Let us express another complex number in the form A plus IB. Question number 4. 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Now 3 into 7, 21, plus I 7 3 ja 21, plus I into 7 plus I into I7 equals to I square 7. 21 plus, students, this is I21 and this is I7. We can add I21 plus I7 is equals to I28. And since we know I square equals to minus 1, so we can write I square minus 1 into 7. And this is 21 plus I28, and this is minus 7. Now 21 minus 7 plus I28, and this gives 14. 21 minus 7 equals to 14 plus I28, and this is already in the form A plus IB, where A equals to 14, where A equals to 14 and B equals to 28. It means that real part is 14 and imaginary part is 28. Now let us express another complex number in the form A plus IB. Students, question number 5, 6 and 7 are the same as question number 4. So you can solve question number 5, 6 and 7 by yourself, as we have solved question number 4. Now let us move to question number 8. Question number 8 is 1 minus I to the power 4. Question number 8 is 1 minus I to the power 4. And we have to express this complex number in the form A plus IB. We can write 1 minus I to the power 2 to the power 2. We can write, students. Now since we know A minus B whole square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB, we will use this formula here, and this will be square of 1 plus square of I minus 2 into 1 into I, then after square. Square of 1 is 1, square of, since we know square of I means I square equals to minus 1, so we will write here minus 1, and this is 2 into 1 into I equals to 2I and square. This is equals to 1 minus 1 cancel means 0, 0 minus 2I whole square equals to minus 2I whole square equals to 4I square, and since we know I square equals to minus 1, so we can write 4 into minus 1, and this will be equals to minus 4. This is a purely real number, but we can express this real number as a plus ib, in the form a plus ib as complex number, in the form of complex number. So we can write minus 4 as minus 4 plus 0I. Here imaginary part is 0. A is equals to minus 4 means real part is minus 4 and imaginary part B is 0. And this is in the form A plus IB, where A is minus 4 and B is 0. Students, question number 9 and 10 you can solve by yourself, as we have solved question number 8. Question number 8, 9 and 10 are same questions. I hope students you are understanding. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thanks.